Welcome. If you're looking to get more relevant ads while browsing Pinterest on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow Pinterest to use your activity to improve the ads you see, all based on the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will open up a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and Data. Click on it to open up more options related to your privacy and how your data is used on Pinterest. Now, scroll down until you see the section called Ads about Pinterest. This is where you can control how Pinterest uses your activity to personalize the ads you see. To allow Pinterest to use your activity for better ad recommendations, simply check the box next to this option. After you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures that your preferences are updated, and Pinterest will start using your activity to show you more tailored ads. And that's it. By following these quick steps, you're letting Pinterest use your browsing activity to improve the ads you see, making them more relevant and useful to you. This can help you discover new ideas, products, and inspiration that match your interests even better. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more personalized Pinterest experience.